Have you been thinking about attending CLA's How to Start a Laundromat workshop and not sure that it's worth the time and the dollars to take that day or two out of your schedule to really learn about the possibilities of buying or building your first laundromat? Well, I'm here to encourage you to attend and put your hands on the best information available on the industry. Cut through the clutter, cut through the hype, and really learn what it's really about, becoming a laundromat owner. And I'm Brian Wallace. I'm the president of CLA, the Laundry Association, and I'll be one of the presenters. But let's listen to some of the attendees who have come to our workshop recently and what they have to say. The experts were so open and giving of their advice and wisdom. It was a phenomenal experience. The intimate nature of the event made me believe even more in the possibility for success. It's a game changer in my entrepreneurial journey. I left with actionable steps and a newfound confidence to advance. Highly recommend this workshop for anyone looking to own a laundromat. It doesn't matter what phase you're in, there isn't a better place to learn about this industry than CLA. And the raves go on and on. A lot of 5-star reviews, realistic yet optimistic. So when you see a lot of the hype out there, finding a laundromat in 30 days or 15 days, or finding a free laundromat or seller financing, let's cut to the chase. Let's really hear from the experts at CLA, that the only nonprofit educational organization serving the industry with 65 years of experience in service. Just go to laundryassociation.org for all the details, and hope to see you either in Los Angeles on February 12th, Charlotte on March 22nd. We're going to be here in our hometown of Chicago on April 22nd. And we're really just here to help you learn the business. And this is not a guru. This is not some kind of fly-by-night thing. These are experienced experts who have been in the business for decades and really understand the industry, who are going to be sharing their secrets with you. It could all happen through CLA's How to Start a Laundromat workshop coming to a city near you. Please go to laundryassociation.org for all the details, and I'll see you there.